Alright guys, so welcome back to another video. Just a quick intro. Today I'm gonna do like some street photography. So I'm gonna go to this location, and then at the end of the video I'm gonna show you, kind of in a hurry, so that's why I'm rushing through this intro. So at the end of the video I'm gonna show you all the pictures that I take, and stay tuned. Just taking a look at Moon Bay, you'll notice that it's not the typical Chinese look. The buildings look more Western and generally more modern. You have a lovely view of the Jinji Lake. There are lots of restaurants and cafes from which you can relax and just enjoy the view. So my friend and I decided to head over there for a quick photo shoot to kind of give a feel of the vibe there. So we are here at the Moon Harbor. Then we was doing some street photo shoots, but right now I'm in as I was walking by, I saw this cat cafe and decided to stop by and see the cats that they have. So here I am in this cat cafe. This video was actually supposed to be a street photography video, or like just a photography photo shoot kind of video, but then it turned out to be a cat cafe vlog, and I'm not mad about it. Yeah.
Can you come up?
These photos on my Instagram. It's laid_back_central, so you can just go on there and check out my stuff, check out my photography work and all that. I still got more stuff for you. Much things are coming up that I have planned. One issue is just trying to find the time to do that now, because it's gotten like really intense with my schoolwork and all that, so I'm trying to balance it. The most important thing is that I'm gonna keep uploading weekly. I've always been trying to upload on Saturdays, but then I end up waiting to Saturday to start editing the video, and then I upload on Monday at the start of the week. But then I'm gonna try to move it back to Saturday, and we'll see how it goes. So if you want to keep seeing more of these kind of contents, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Do you think everything's food?
As we were walking, because of like because of the coronavirus. Oh, I shouldn't say that. Pictures, and you can see more of these photos on my Instagram. You can see more of these You can see more of these photos on my Instagram.